Hey, this is Matt Wimmer from Ready Precision. Just a quick one this week talking about a technical bulletin that came out earlier in the week from Tridium about some vulnerabilities that were discovered and reported to them by a security researcher a little while back that they have now remedied and are disclosing to everyone. So this affects 410, 414, and 415. 414U2 is now available, and that has been posted on BP Tech Center as of yesterday, May 22nd, as of recording this video. And that mitigates all of the issues, fixes all the issues that were discovered in these versions. So we've got somewhere around 10 CVEs, so common vulnerabilities that were discovered and reported, and Tridium has now fixed them. So we're talking about things like a lot of behind-the-scenes stuff that you would never really think about or touch, mainly in the software itself. So things like cryptography parameters, user permission issues, and the handling of text and strings where things weren't escaped the way that they should have been. So that has all been fixed now and is available in 414U2. 410 and 415 will also have these patches coming. Obviously, 415 hasn't been released yet, so when it is released, it will include these patches, and then the 410 patches will be released relatively soon as well, and they will be posted up on BP Tech Center for you to easily grab and install. Obviously, if you're running 410, 414, 415, make these updates happen. Very important. I'm not aware, and I haven't seen any reporting of these vulnerabilities being exploited in the wild, but you don't want to be that one who was exploited because you didn't upgrade to the patched version. So get out there and install your updated versions that have those patches. As always, thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments about anything security related in Niagara, leave them down in the comments below. Like and subscribe if you haven't already, and stick around next week. We'll be back with another video. Thanks for watching.